let's take a look at this cordless vacuum here. Empties, just open these things on each side. These have to be put on to hold the hose. Two holes for extra attachments. This is like a crevice tool brush combo thing. Blower port there. It's not labeled that I can see anyway. Nope. It's not labeled at all. And battery here. A little extra room for a charger. And I put the other filter in there. I guess that's for the wet mode. The hose only fits one direction. This side's smaller. Honestly, kind of crazy in my book because shop vacs are all standard size. This looks like so much standard size, but I don't know for sure. It just is. I wish this thing had some extension segments too, but it doesn't. It does seem to suck pretty good, and in a good way, I mean. Let's take a look, see how it does clean this mess up. And it's fairly quiet. I'm going to turn it on here. For its size, I'd say it does a fairly good job. The hose size is pretty much its only limit. It's a real big limit so far. So far I've sucked up hay from mouse nests and a piece of equipment, and usually these smaller shop vacs don't like this size hose much because it just clogs up easy, but something like this would be nice to clean up a car or whatever. Or just small jobs, which I don't really like to get the big one out for because it's just easier to knock it off by hand or something and drag the big shop vac out. So I think that's about all I got on this thing.
I am reviewing this cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner. The brand name is LIGO, and here is on and off button. This is pretty decent in size. Let's open it and check what is inside. It's a big container, and see, the filter is huge, and here is battery compartment. We can insert battery right here, and here are some accessories. One tube is there, two attachment, and there is two battery. Good thing is there is two battery, 20 volt, two batteries there, and one charger. And there is instructions manual. I can clean my car, I can clean my wet floor. I have a small patio, so I can blow out the leaf off. So here is the blower connector. So let's insert the battery first. And these are the two attachments. I'm going to clean my sofa first. This is very handy and great portable vacuum cleaner. The suctions is also very nice. I'm liking my cleaning now. And this is lightweight, so I can carry it anywhere. I got this one specially for my car, so I'll give it to my husband. He gonna clean it. Now my car is clean. Wow. And these are the dirts.